Welcome to How to Write and Run Python Code on the Command Line. I'm Ryan Orsinger. Let's start on the command line. On the command line in my examples folder, I have an empty directory, right? There's nothing in here. I've already installed VS Code. It's a great editor to use. To make a brand new file, type code and then the file name. We'll make a new file called hello.py. This is going to open up VS Code, and inside of VS Code, we'll write syntactically correct Python. We'll say, hi, everybody. And then we will print out that message. Okay, we're going to save our work with Command S, back to the terminal. LSLA shows us that that file is here. Here's how to run the code. You type Python space, and then the name of the file. Python space, name of the file. As we make new changes, we can print this message multiple times. We're running Python, right? So we print hi everybody twice, and then we print we're running Python. To run this again, we type Python space, then the name of the script. Because the content of the script changed and we saved the changes, the new changes run. And that is how to write and run Python code on your terminal.